Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Ember ISL game on your PC. Guys, simply open up your browser and just open up the Steam website, just search for it and open up this website. Now here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on the login option. Now simply sign into your account guys. If you don't have an account, then just create an account. And creating the account is very simple and easy. Once you created the account, then click on the start Steam option you are seeing on the top. Now simply download the Steam and install it into your PC, and this is also very simple and easy. After that, simply open up the Steam, then log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Ember ISO. Once you type it now, this game appear on the top. So simply open up the Ember ISO game you are seeing on the top. Now here just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So you can simply purchase this game. Just click on that option of add to cart, then click on the view my cart option. Now click on the option of continue to payment. Now here guys simply pay with the PayPal or any other card you have, guys. Once you pay the amount, now game was added to your Steam library. Just go to the Steam library on the top, and on the left hand side just find the Ember ISL game. Then click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.